I've been using Realme Buds Air for about a month now, and I will be sharing my observations about Realme Buds Air after a month's use in this video. Hello everyone, how are you people doing? I know you people are doing absolutely fine. This is Amey here and you're watching TekhPanda. So without wasting further ado, let's get started.
Let's get going with a quick unboxing. The Realme's earbuds comes with a wireless charging, multiple sound profile and a low latency gaming mode. All of these features along with their affordability makes the Realme Buds Air a lucrative choice for a lot of people. But do they really stand up for the price? Well, let's find out in our review. Starting with the design, undeniably the Realme Buds Air seems to be drawing some inspiration from AirPods. The carrying case also looks similar, but subtle placement of the button for pairing, the LED indicator, a USB Type-C port at the bottom instead of a lightning port, and lastly a designed by Realme branding on the back add to its identity. The lid has a magnetic latching mechanism and also acts like an on-off switch for earbuds. The inner side of the lid is inscribed with the details about battery capacity besides some regulatory information. The Realme Buds Air are rumored with the same discomfort issues as most other TRW earbuds, but it is a subjective opinion. For me, the Realme Buds Air don't fit as snugly as I would like them to and seem prone to falling off even if there is a gentle smack on the earlobe. You can remedy this issue to some extent by choosing ear hooks or ear tips made up of silicone or a similar cushiony material. You can find a variety of these online. For the same reason, the usability of Realme Buds Air is pretty much limited to indoor spaces, unless of course you're willing to pay for a replacement. Owing to the shape, the Realme Buds Air don't seal the ear canal perfectly and you can hear ambient noises. Music being played at high volumes cut off the outside noise almost entirely, but the music also bleeds out at high volumes. We will talk about sound quality in a bit. The most interesting set of features for me are the touch controls on each of the earbuds. The area on top of secondary noise cancellation microphone registered touches which can be used for actions such as playing or pausing media, switching to next track, invoking voice assistant on your device and switching to low latency gaming mode. We have double tap for play or pause for accepting calls, a triple tap can forward to a track to the next one, but there is no control to let you to switch between the previous track. By long pressing on either of the earbuds at a time, you can activate voice assistant on your device, and the feature works fine with Google Assistant and Alexa on Android devices as well as Siri with Apple devices. The same action can be used to disconnect calls. All of these touch controls work with the taps on any one of the earbuds. The Realme Buds Air also comes with a low latency gaming mode, which can be triggered by long pressing the touch area on both the earbuds simultaneously. It is designed to make communications more effectively by reducing the latency audio. The reduction in latency comes at the expense of bitrate, which is directly related to the quality of the audio. I will discuss the extent of this reduction in the section dedicated to sound quality. Also mentioned previously, the Realme Buds Air automatically connects to the device they were last paired with when the lid is open. Similarly, the earbud disconnects when the lid is shut. Realme's TWS earbuds also support Android fast pairing protocol. Before coming to perhaps the most crucial part of this review, the sound quality of Realme Buds Air, I would like to clarify that human interpretation of audio is largely subjective. Further, the judgment of sound quality also depends on your preferred genres of music. The Realme Buds Air utilize 12mm drivers and the company vouches for its dynamic bass boost profile. Holistically speaking, the earbuds have a warm tone, primarily with an emphasis on bass and lower mids. Typically, while the lower frequencies can be heard louder, the highs feel diminished in comparison. The Indian variant of Realme Buds Air is optimized for Bollywood music, which majorly comprises of bass and groove. So if you enjoy fancy and similar music, you should enjoy the sound output. Low latency game mode. Latency for Bluetooth audio can be defined as the time difference between the moment the signal is sent out of the device and the moment when it reaches your ears. Realme says that usual latency with Realme Buds Air is standard mode is around 245 milliseconds, which isn't too much for Android devices, whereas it reduced by 51% to less than 120 milliseconds. Realme's gaming mode may reduce the latency, but it also increases the tendency for choppiness. so it's not very useful. The Realme Buds Air use Bluetooth 5.0 to connect with input devices. Each of the earbuds connects individually to the device instead of the master-slave configuration. Furthermore, the carrying case has no further role to play after the connection is established. The range of connectivity for Realme Buds Air is around 10 meters. The battery life of Realme Buds Air is just about 2.5 hours per earbud when you're listening at full volume. The battery life claimed by Realme is 3 hours, but that is tested at 50% volume. This isn't just good enough. Do note that drainage of battery may vary with the conditions like the kind of content you're consuming, your distance from earbuds, your indulgence in gaming, and the usage of two microphones. In my usage, the carrying case can charge the Realme Buds Air from about 10% to 100% 5 to 6 times. Therefore, the total battery life on the Realme Buds Air along with the carrying case will be around 16 hours. The quantity of the charge in the case is denoted by the blinking LED with red indicating low, green indicating a healthy amount, and amber anywhere between them. The carrying case takes about 2 hours and 45 minutes to charge fully using Type-C port at bottom. Lastly, features like wireless charging are something I really like, but I wish the carrying case had a better battery indicator. Overall, Realme's first attempt at truly wireless stereo earbuds feels ambitious, and at the attractive price will definitely compel a lot of users to buy them. Do let me know in the comment section which feature of Realme Buds Air you like the most.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And also don't forget to turn on post notifications if you haven't already. It's been a great time with you guys. Thank you so much for watching TekhPanda.
और हाँ, घंटी बजाना मत भूलना।